Well, good morning. I was going to go out and shoot yesterday, but it was just too windy, so I've decided to wait till this morning. When I got up, it was minus 22, not even including wind chill, because there's no wind today, just straight up temperature. So I just got back from Grandpa's, decided to do a little filming around the house. I'm clearing a path just big enough for me to get in. Let's see, what all can you see? It sure is snowy here. Snowy and cold. But today there's no wind and the sun is out, which is a first. I can't get up here next to the house. It's too deep. I go around by the gas tanks. Got stuck over there in the drift by the garage. Got stuck again this morning. Had to dig that out. Quite the drifts you have going. I'm tired of digging this drift out, so I've just decided to dig a path for myself. So now we're going to walk around. Want to see what we can see on the other side of the house. Ooh, right in the sunshine. You probably can't see that very well. Well, I walked out here yesterday. It's pretty deep. You can see it's as tall as my boots, if not higher. And then we get into the big drifts. And I'm not even going to attempt to go beyond this corner. That's the big drift in front of the house. Sure is pretty with all the snow stacked up on top of the railing, though. No wind today. It'll probably stay like that for a while. The hills are pretty. Lots and lots of snow. I'm going to practice my zoom. See how that works. Oh, I zoomed in, zoomed out. Okay. Well, that's about it from the big cold front that's happening in Wyoming. Hope you're enjoying the sunshine and the warm weather. Put your shorts on. There's the garage. I haven't seen a bit of wildlife out here. They're hunkered down. Alright, well, that's it for now. Enjoy.